With the change of season, it's the perfect time to give your home a refresh. I'm here in this large family home. They have children, they have pets. It's a very busy house. But as you know, with a big, busy home comes stuff. This family has a lot of open shelving, a lot of collected items from their travels, and I want to help them refresh, declutter, and eliminate indoor pollutants. Basically give them a make-under. The layout is unique and I absolutely love it. Here's the prep area. Here's the cooking area. Over here is the dining area. Dishes, dishwasher, sink. Over here is the bar. And back here is a TV room. I began by decluttering the open bookshelf in the kitchen island. You get a direct view of these shelves when you're dining, so it's a good area to tidy up and style. Oh, Fishes of Toronto. I love this. Now don't worry, these aren't being thrown out. I found a new home for these books in the upstairs library. There's nothing wrong with having a lot of books, but I do like to move them around to break up the look. How clever is this though? It's an old brick. I kept it functional too. This is a perfect spot for cookbooks and a few office supplies. Snacks are great, but they're even better in a glass jar. These jars are actually so cute. I was able to tidy up the wash-up station with a bit of decluttering and adding a catch-all for keys and trinkets. A bar area is a great addition to any kitchen, but the surface was a magnet for clutter. Phone chargers, so many phone chargers and wires. I organized them and put them in a clear box so everyone can see where they are, but they're tidy and contained. Although I came in to declutter, adding decorative elements is key. I love using flowers and linens to add small touches of color to the space. This blue runner is perfect to break up the super long dining table. And this handheld Rowenta steamer is a quick way to refresh and disinfect. I also added a rug through the bar area to ground the space and lead you through to the back of the house. In the living room, I added a rug to lighten and brighten the overall palette. I also changed the coffee table. I think a glass top definitely helps achieve that airy look I'm going for. A few solid colored pillows are perfect for a pop of color without adding too much visual distraction. I did bring in something essential to help clean the air and eliminate indoor pollutants. This Rowenta Intense Pure Air Purifier, perfect for allergy season as well as pet hair, fine particles, mold, and bacteria. It's so great to keep the air inside your home fresh. I have to say, I love this space. And now that I've cleaned it up, I can really appreciate all of the cool features like the layout, all of the storage, and the beautiful art. It feels fresh and brand new. Pepper's pretty happy. Cat loaf, panda cat.